Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we are diving deep into a piece of cookware that's not just about cooking, but also about a certain kind of American spirit. We're talking about the Lodge pre-seasoned Yellowstone stamped cast iron grill press, specifically the Power Y design. Now, if you're a fan of Yellowstone, this might just be the kitchen collectible you've been waiting for. But is it more than just a novelty item, or can this grill press truly elevate your cooking game? Let's find out. First off, let's address what this product is. It's a cast iron grill press, designed to be placed on top of your food while it's cooking, particularly on a grill or in a pan. This helps to ensure even cooking, creates a better sear, and can even speed up the cooking process by trapping heat. Lodge, as many of you know, is a name synonymous with cast iron in America, and this particular press carries a special edition Yellowstone branding. The Power Y design on the searing surface is intended to leave a distinctive mark on your proteins, adding a visual flair to your culinary creations. One of the standout features here is that it's pre-seasoned. Lodge seasons all their cast iron cookware with 100% natural vegetable oil, and this grill press is no exception. This seasoning is crucial. It's not a synthetic coating, it's oil that's been baked into the iron itself. This process gives it a natural, easy-release finish right out of the box, and importantly, it helps prevent the cast iron from rusting. Lodge emphasizes that the more you use their seasoned cookware, the better the seasoning becomes. This is the beauty of cast iron, it's a material that improves with age and use, developing a non-stick surface and becoming even more durable. Now, Lodge also addresses a common concern with cast iron, rust. They state that if you notice a spot that looks like rust upon arrival, it's simply oil that hasn't fully carbonized. With regular use and proper care, this spot should disappear. They even provide clear instructions on how to deal with rust if it does appear: scour the affected area with steel wool, wash with warm water, dry it thoroughly, and then rub it with vegetable oil. This proactive approach to consumer education is something we appreciate. It takes the mystery out of cast iron maintenance and empowers users to care for their cookware effectively. Beyond the functional aspects, the Yellowstone stamping adds a layer of collectible appeal. The description highlights that this is American cookware born for adventure, representing American grit. For fans of the show, this press can serve as a conversation starter and a tangible connection to the series. It's marketed as a piece that can keep authentically good food in the family, which speaks to the enduring nature of cast iron and the traditions of home cooking. The fact that Lodge is a family-owned company, still owned by the Lodge family who founded it in 1896, is a significant point. They emphasize their roots in America, from environmental responsibility to community development. Their products are made in the USA, and they use non-toxic, PFOA and PTFE-free materials. This commitment to domestic manufacturing and safe materials is a strong selling point for many consumers today. So, let's break down the pros and cons of this Lodge Yellowstone grill press. On the positive side, you get a high-quality cast iron grill press from a reputable brand with a long history. The pre-seasoning means you can start using it right away. The Yellowstone branding adds a unique aesthetic and makes it a great gift for fans of the show. Cast iron is incredibly durable and, with proper care, can last a lifetime, even becoming a cherished family heirloom. The Power Y design, while primarily cosmetic, does add a bit of fun and customization to your cooking. Furthermore, the fact that it's made in the USA with safe materials is a definite plus. However, there are a few things to consider. Cast iron is heavy. This grill press will add weight to your cooking setup, which might be a consideration. For some. While pre-seasoned, it still requires proper care and maintenance, including seasoning and cleaning. If you're not accustomed to cast iron, there's a learning curve involved in maintaining it to prevent rust and ensure its longevity. The Yellowstone branding, while a pro for fans, might be a con for those who prefer a more minimalist or purely functional aesthetic in their kitchen. You're also paying for that branding, so the price point might reflect the collectible aspect more than the purely functional attributes compared to a standard Lodge grill press. In conclusion, The Lodge Pre-Seasoned Yellowstone Stamped Cast Iron Grill Press is a well-made piece of cookware that offers both functionality and a unique collectible appeal. If you're a Yellowstone enthusiast or are looking for a durable, long-lasting grill press that can impart a cool sear and a branded mark, this is definitely worth considering. It embodies the spirit of American craftsmanship and tradition, and with the right care, it will serve you well in the kitchen for years to come. Link in the description.